Today we're going to start a new project for an iron-on t-shirt. We're going to go into the Cricut Design Space Images and choose this elephant design. It's made out of 2 colors. So we're going to insert that image onto our drawing board. And the way this is set up is that it's 2 layers that lay on top of each other. So we're going to take a moment to look at that separately. There's a solid elephant, and then we can see that there's a solid elephant with the design missing. And what we really want are 2 layers that fit together as a puzzle piece. And so we want that design shape by itself, and then we want the elephant with the design shape missing. So to do that, we're just going to make sure that we have everything grouped together. So we select it all, and then I'm going to slice the image. And what that does is give us 3 layers. We'll take a moment here to look at what we have. We have the design element by itself, which we want. And then the other 2 layers are the elephant with the design missing. We don't need 2 of them, we only need 1. So we're going to delete the middle version, which is the green one. I'm just going to highlight it and hit the delete key. Then looking at this, we have both elements together, and that's exactly what we want for our iron-on t-shirt.
Okay, to use the EasyPress, we're going to turn it on, and then for our iron-on patterned vinyl from Cricut, we need to set the temperature to 340. So you just push the plus and minus, and then wait for it to heat up. Okay. So we have this set up. I have our t-shirt here with our chalk mark to help us, and I have it sitting on top of a towel so that we can use the EasyPress. I'm looking forward to getting the EasyPress matte, but ours is with FedEx somewhere in the US on its way here, so we're going to work without it. The EasyPress is ready to go. The light has turned green. I have it set for 240 degrees for 10 seconds, and I'm just going to take it over and push it. Just set it on place and then tell it to go. It's going to count down and beep. And what this does is when you pre-iron your material, is that it takes any of the moisture out of the surface before you put your iron-on in place. So this is the iron-on that we're going to be using first. And so we place it where we want it on the shirt. And then back to the EasyPress, I'm going to change the timer, and it has to go to 50 seconds. So I'm going to give that, if I just hold the button, it'll go, and then click the timer. So now we're ready to bring it over. And the only reason I'm turning it is our cord isn't long enough to reach. So I'm going to set it down and push, and it'll do the timing for us. So I have the second layer of the vinyl on top, and I've placed it where it belongs. It fits together kind of like a puzzle piece. And then I've put the original plastic piece over the elephant because we don't want that to stick to the surface of the EasyPress, or the bottom of the EasyPress. So once again, we're just going to go 50 seconds. So take the EasyPress over, go straight down, try not to move anything around because we want those shapes to line up. And then we set the timer and wait.